Welcome back to another video, guys. Zach with Money Pit RC. Today's video, we got our hands on a new 2-speed transmission and motor from RCAWD Drive. Excited to get this thing installed and see how it performs. Alright, we're going to jump right into it. Here is the motor and transmission. So it comes with all metal gears. It comes with the motor, it comes with the 2-speed shift servo, everything assembled, ready to go. So you drop this thing in and you're set. So it is a 130 72 turned brushed motor, and then just a micro servo on the side just to shift between high and low range gear. I don't know much about it, it's a new product, so let's get this thing installed and see how it performs. Well, the only issue that I can think of is how large this is compared to the stock motor and transmission. So I'm thinking that we're going to put it in this vehicle just because I can remove this battery tray and then I will have enough room still. So all my other ones are running like crazy low center of gravity chassis and all that stuff, so I'm not going to have enough room. So I think this is our best bet. So we're going to try to install it in this and hopefully it works. So before we install this, let's just see what comes in the box. It comes with the motor and transmission combo. It comes with side steps and it comes with aluminum shock towers. Also comes with the braces, all the hardware, some 3M tape. Alright, so we're going to get this thing installed. So first step is let's take out the old transmission and motor, which will be really easy. So my zip tie, I already got the motor off. I'm just going to unplug this and put this out of the way for now. I'm going to take, this is just 3M taped, not well. So take that off to give me the most room. Then you have the one screw up top. And then you have the two on the lower skid plate. Okay, so here is the old motor and transmission. So as you can see, like I said, the size difference is crazy. So if you do buy this, you will have to keep that in mind. You're going to have a lot of room. You're going to need a lot of room to install this. Alright, before you install this, you're going to have to install this plate, which connects on the bottom of the transmission, and then this is what bolts into the skid plate. Alright, now that you have that bolted on, I'm going to do the drive shafts last. So in reality, this thing should just sit in the stock location. Alright, it was kind of hard to do it on camera, but that's installed. Motor, transmission, really easy. Honestly, 2 bolts. So now we're going to get the drive shafts hooked up, and then we're going to figure out where to put the battery. Alright, we got the drive shafts all hooked up. So now we really just have to run some wiring, put the ESC and all that crap back in, and we should be ready to see how it performs. Alright, before I put all the wiring back together, let's plug everything in and let's see if it works. Then we'll hit channel 4. So that's low gear. So that's low gear. That's high gear. Alright, at least we know it works. Alright, we got it all installed. I did just add a second tray back here just for the ESC and battery. So they are both on trays. I'm just hoping that I didn't really kill the performance wise because I have all the weight towards the back, but this thing is pretty heavy and also this is an angled skid. So hopefully it should be okay. But you know, I'm not really too fond if it kills performance just because it looks really good. The wires are just kind of tied up. Not the cleanest, but it works. And also my biggest fear was, look how close that was. But it fits, no issues. I have one more surprise. What do you guys think? Brand new RC all-wheel drive wheels and tires. They are full brass, they are heavy, and they look so darn good. I'm very happy with how this thing's looking so far. Alright, let's just do some speed tests quick. This is in low range. That's full speed in low range. So let's switch it to second speed. Definitely has a lot more wheel speed, which is nice. Back to low range. That's full throttle. And even the slow crawl is really good. Pretty impressed. Just barely on the throttle. Let's take this thing on the indoor course and see how it performs. So obviously my indoor course kind of sucks. I do have plans on redoing it this winter. So in the meantime, let's bring on the crawler Traxs and see what this thing can conquer. We haven't featured this one in a while, so let's start with the bridge. Obviously low range gear. Beautiful. Up next, we got the frame bender, which I did feature this on my Instagram a little bit ago about how modular it is. So make sure you check out that video. Beautiful. Just for fun. Control. I'm actually really impressed with the control of this transmission. And then we got the pipeline. Only problem with the pipeline is that it's made for smaller vehicles. I would say skinnier vehicles. This thing's got the portal axles with the hex extensions. So it's just another obstacle to try to keep it straight. Beautiful. So it might be hard to do it this way because I can't see my lines. So if I just stay on this path, it should be okay. Very nice. You know I saved the best for last, the wave. Do you think you can complete the wave? I know for a fact you can, because this thing flexes like no other. Let's just take a minute to appreciate that. Look at that. Let's go this way. I'll twist it up. Look at them wheels. Just look at them. Man, that looks so good. Alright, we got the mud pit. Some people think that it's just made for monster trucks, but just getting into it is an obstacle in itself. If you set them upright, they can be really tricky. My point exactly. Slipping and sliding in the mud. See? That's why they call it the mud pit. There we go. There we go. But can I get out? Nice. Alright, let's turn it around. Just come from this way. Like I said, it depends on how you set up the entrances and exits. It can make it really challenging. Let's move this back a little bit. A little bit off course there, but I made it out. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick up the crawler tracks. Alright guys, my final thoughts on this RC all-wheel drive 2-speed transmission. I really enjoy it. It was super easy to install. I'm happy that it came fully assembled. Like I said, very easy to install. It's got a good low range. It's got a good high speed, gives good wheel speed, gives good torque. Like I said, I do mainly keep it in the low range gears because it has a good slow crawl. It's a lot better than the stock motors that you can get for these. It does have some cons though. The only issue that I've really noticed is the size. It is a big transmission, so you're trying to shove it in a little car, you're gonna have to do some modifications obviously. I do enjoy it. You just have to find the right car to put it in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'll catch you guys in the next video.